special. DJI OM4. Okay, such an exciting time. We've been doing R&Ds, which is the best gimbal, how to take for certain stabilized videos. So finally, we have got the best in the market. It's just a quick unboxing video. We thought, okay, we'll just share our exciting moments with you also. Okay, I'm here with Arman and Amreen for the unboxing. One thing which I love in Dubai, everything is so simple. You don't really need a knife. Anything which my wife says, you don't really carry any knife or anything. Everything is so easy and okay. Wow. I'm just gonna go step by step. So there are 4 things and 4 steps. Step 1, click your phone, connect those magnetic things. Step 2 is this. Step 3 is this. Just open it, and step 4, download the mobile app. Okay. So what I'll do is, by the time I unbox it, I'll just ask Amreen to just install DJI app. So you can scan that and then install the app. Now, create magnetic moments. I'm sure you can see how excited I am to see this. Okay. I have no clue how gimbal works up, by the way. This is the first time even I'm experiencing, not even from the shop. I just found some Chinese versions of gimbals. Now that's it. So before we jump, this is the stand. We have a stand. We have the magnetic phone connector, and yeah, that's the thing. Okay. The moment it opens, it's just gonna pop out. Okay, chalo. We'll come back. So what else do we have? This is how you fix for case, yeah, alignment guide. How do you fix it? As usual. Oh, that one is for the phone. Yeah, you stick it, I guess. Basically, that's why that guy said, if you have 2 phones, then you just have to buy one extra. Can you show it? Yeah, the camera. Nice. Okay. So DJI Osmo4, all the manuals. Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna read every single page of this. Sure. So that's one. And what is that? This one is the cover. So basically you carry, this is your holder. The quality is also good. It's very good, huh? Much better than what we saw. Thank you, Amreen. You have, the installation is complete. I'm going to open DJI Memo. Now there was some installation thing which we have done here. Right. So there is a small dot on top of it. You have to match it here. Right. Okay. And you put it here. Okay. So all you need to do is just open it. Cool. I'm just gonna press it. One more. Ready? 1, 2. Wow. Alright. So let me connect it. So I guess it's connected at the moment. Okay. So is it showing me now? Better, right? Yeah. So the stand is ready. And yeah. Okay. Great. So we are going to select his face. Okay. You see this? Can you move? Oh my god. Move to the right. Wow. Move again.
Nice. Amazing.
What awesome.
Wow. Okay, can you stand up? Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Oh, great. Superb.
Got it? So basically I'm just gonna get into all the features, functionalities. Just within a quick look, this looks awesome. See you guys soon. The comparison between with and without DJI Osmo4 is coming soon in our next video.